Hey guys, before we start this video, there's a few things I want to say. First of all, thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. I am really grateful, and I'm putting a lot of work into this channel, so it is good to see that what you're doing is appreciated. And next thing I just wanted to say was that this video is totally scattered and is from like literally March, beginning of March to like beginning of April, so it's like a full month of vlog. So let's do it.
We were better off alone.
Hey friends, right now it's March, I don't know, but it's snowing. This is not supposed to happen. I'm a little disturbed, I'm not gonna lie. Now the ground's all wet, so we can't play tennis, so we have to play it inside, which freaking sucks because it's just hitting balls against the wall. Can't relate. And there's also tons of kids here at my school, so yeah. Hello. I hate that.
Look at those wall jumps. Yes, Haley.
Sounds like we're clapping cheeks right now.
Give me your ASMR.
You hear that?
Some good ASMR shit right there.
Welcome. Today is Thursday. Yeah. I went an hour early to school, so basically I left my house at 6 in the morning. Not fun. To get extra work in chemistry and stay with that teacher. Then after that, I went to math, and like we did nothing the whole day, so that was kind of dope. And then after that, yeah, we just had yoga and normal stuff, so now we're after lunch.
A curly-headed cutie, I could turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh,
She got a gold ring, that's why I love her. Miss Independent. Let's get yeah. Just one sec. Let me know when you're ready. Chickens or something else today? Can I get creative? Can I get my chicken for the day? Ew.
David Eisenhower seems to be a point guard. It's good looking. Tyler Anderson dribbling around the three-point line. Shoots it into Alex Peterson. Up, dribbles around. Tyler takes a three-pointer. And this is that has to be embarrassing. Jordan Abraham with the fire shooting.
Do something. Okay. Jenna, he wants to go with you.
Yeah, he wants to go with you.
He wants you to stop looking like a squirrel, but what is that going to happen? Okay, you gotta pull your legs in. Okay, I can swing you. Hi. Stop, you're so long, I don't know what now. Oh. Oh. You hit me. Oh, buddy, you're so hit. See? I hate that.
Missing someone with all your
Make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, might seduce your dad type. I'm the bad guy.
You might be asking, Kara, why don't you look like a foot today? And the reason is because Sister Kara is going to get her license and needs to not have a bad picture. I have a little bit of PTSD from that, but exciting. So, let's go.
And loser, we're going shopping. Yeah.
Oons, 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 rave, oons, 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 oons. That's ugly. Is that your car? Oh yeah, I drive. Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. I was in a middle split that whole time, never again. I'm seasick.
I think this is a bad idea.
Why?
Why is there fear, Karen? If you were getting my double chin, I'm going to kill you.
Can I get a chance?
Yeah? I don't like you. I'm gonna take your photo. This is a reason that I will take it away.
Because I had your double chins on camera?
Yeah.
Look at my chins.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Look at the sky, it looks like cotton candy. Oh my god. So I got my license today, as you saw from the previous clips. Oh my god, my hair. Oh my god, help. So, yeah, I know. But,
You sound like Valerie just now.
thank you. She's a queen. Anyway, shout out Valerie. But, so, I got my license, so Jenna and I, this is my first time driving without my parents, but we are going to the beach. The beach. Nicki Minaj. And then we're gonna get ice cream. So,
No, we're going to get ice cream and then we're going to
and mashed potatoes. And
She's
look at
talking
the sunset. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let's freaking go. Ew. Love this non-copyright music. Fancy dates with Bae. Ew.
Our bread has to come first.
Oh, okay. So tell us what's on the menu for today. What are we eating on our mukbang?
So we're going to get 2 sides of mashed potatoes.
Mashed potatoes.
They're so good. Like there's like, I don't know, I have these best mashed potatoes I've had in my life, and I was like,
Ooh. I really like Irish for the non-copyright music, so I don't get. Hey. Ew. Yeah, ew. Wow. I lost her. Good?
oh my god. ASMR part 2. Hey guys, welcome back to my mukbang. So Jenna forced me to come to Ivor's, and then she forced me to get mashed potatoes.
And pay.
And pay. So we're gonna eat this. It's so good. Holy crap balls. I don't understand. Ivor's has some good mashed potatoes, y'all.
Hey. We got ice cream, and our mom yelled at us for getting mashed potatoes.
But it was worth it.
It was worth it. Oh, good. Now we're gonna drive home.
Good is an understatement.
Yeah, but we're gonna drive home now?
Why did you park so
Why'd you have to not wear pants?
Why do you have to look so ugly?
Ah! Let's go home. Update!
No, puppy!
Update! Jenna knocked it out of my hand and threw it on
Dumb!
the ground. Gotta stop! He's stealing your spotlight.
Alright everyone, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I enjoy making these videos. And again, thank you so much for 300 subscribers. I really enjoy doing this, and I am really thankful that I am starting to get viewers that are watching the things that I love to do. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.
It's overrated, let's just vibe. Just 49.
Wow.